Hi dear viewers, welcome to our channel the English Speaking Academy. In this video I am going to be explaining you articles. What is article, why articles are very important, and then how do we use articles, what can be the various methods to be understood in order to use articles very correctly. So all those things I am going to be explaining in this video, so make sure that you watch it from beginning till end. So without taking much time, let's get started. So look at here, articles a and the. What is article? First of all, this question should be arising in our mind. What is article? The word a and the are called articles. The word a and the are called articles. Fine. These are actually demonstrative adjective. These are actually demonstrative adjective and are used before noun to determine. Articles are used before noun to determine or fix their meanings. That's it. And after that, a or an is called indefinite articles. Now when we talk about kinds of articles, there are two kinds of articles. Number one is called indefinite articles, and then second one is called definite article. A or an is called indefinite article because it does not point out any particular or definite person or thing. This we need to remember. A or an is called indefinite articles because it does not point out any particular or definite person or thing. That's it. Number two, the is called definite article. It is used when we speak of some particular or definite person or thing. Listen very carefully. The is called definite article. Where it is used? It is used when we speak of some particular or definite person or thing. That's it. Note, it means it's very important. So please listen it very carefully. When a person or thing is introduced for the first time, we generally use the indefinite article a or an. But when the same person or thing is talked about the next time, we use article the. Fine. इज इट क्लियर नाउ? जब फर्स्ट टाइम यूज़ करेंगे किसी भी पर्सन और चीज़ को तो वहाँ पे आर्टिकल इंडेफिनेट यूज़ होगा. द सेम थिंग इफ वी रिपीट इन सेकेंड टाइम, सो in that case we use definite article the. Once upon a time a prince was going through a jungle riding an elephant. He saw a tiger behind the bushes. The prince at once decided to shoot the tiger. Now see, we are repeating it second time. The prince at once decided to shoot the tiger. Let's go to next. Now, listen it very carefully. Use of articles. Number one, indefinite article. A. A is used before a word beginning with a consonant. I think this is clear. As we know that the article A is used before word beginning with a consonant. For example, a rabbit, a pen, a mouse, a chair, etc. Fine. Before such vowels which have the sounds of oo, oo, wa. For example, a useful book, a university professor, a European, a one-eyed man. So look at here. We must be making sure that the article A is used before a word beginning with a consonant, as we have seen examples. For example, a rabbit, a pen, a mouse, a chair. But before such vowels which have the sounds of oo, oo, wa. That means using articles, it depends on based on the sounds of the letters, especially vowels here. There are some vowels but they are silent. The sounds are coming oo, oo, wa. Useful or useful. Yeah, definitely it begins with a vowel sound U, but the sound U is not coming here. Instead of that, ooh, why? Your sound is coming. Your, useful, university, your, not the vowel sound. That's what we are using before that article A. Most of the time students, they get confused of using the articles very correctly, because they think yes, it is beginning from the A, E, I, O, U vowel sounds. Definitely here will be article N, but that's not clear. We just need to be making sure what kind of sound is coming there. University, useful, European, one. Fine. Okay, hope it's clear. Number B, use of N. N is used before the words beginning with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. Listen very carefully. The article N is used before the words beginning with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. For example, an extra fan, an aunt, an ox, an inkpot, an ugly word. Before words beginning with silent H. Listen carefully. Before words beginning with silent H. For example, an hour, an honorable man, an honest fellow. Yeah, here it begins with H, all the words, but H is silent here. Before words beginning with H silent. There are some words in the beginning there is H used, but that H is silent. So in that case also we use the article N. Fine. Why? Because the sound is coming of vowels. Though the consonant is used there H, but H remains silent and then sound comes the vowel. So definitely in that case we use an hour, an honorable man, an honest fellow. Honest. It is pronounced honest, not honest. Honorable. Honorable. Honest. An honest fellow. Fine, it's clear. Now, number 3, before abbreviation, if the alphabet begins with a vowel sounds. Now, for example, an MLA, an MBBS, an MP, etc. Next, C, the use of the. The is used when a particular person or thing is being talked about. Listen very carefully. When a particular person or thing is being talked about, when we are talking about a particular person or thing, in that sense we use the article called the. Now, for example, I have already read the book you are talking about. The article on child labor. Number 2, before a singular noun when it refers to everyone, class or group. Before a singular noun when it refers to everyone, class or group. In that sense also we use the rose is the most beautiful flower. In a general sense, the teacher is a nation builder. Fine. In general sense, teachers. Now some examples are there. Before the names of rivers, mountain ranges, seas and oceans, religious books, newspapers, well-known buildings, trains, shore, trains, ships, etc. and directions, the is used. The Himalayas, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, fine, the Gita, the Ramayana, the Bible, the Times of India, the Indian Express, the Taj, the Rajdhani Express, the East, the West, the North, the South, directions. In that sense also the article the is used. For example, before the adjective in a superlative degree, before the adjective of superlative degree, find there are 3 degrees in adjectives of degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. So in superlative degree, the is also used as an article. Now for example, my is the hottest, hot, hotter, hottest. Rahul is the tallest. The is used here because tallest is the superlative degree. So before superlative degree also we use the article the. This also we need to keep in our mind. However, article the is not used before the names of city, town or villages that I have already mentioned here. You can have glance. And these are the homeworks for you assigned. So you can make sure that while watching the videos, keep on sending your answers in comments. Fine. Question number 1. What will be the right answer? I just want to get it from you. Question number 2. Have a glance on it. What will be the right answer? Question number 3. See what can be the right answer. Read it. 4. Just I'm giving few seconds. And then you need to keep on sending your answers in comment section. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Yeah, thank you for watching and listening. So consider subscribing if you think videos like this are really helpful for you. So till that, keep supporting, keep watching our channel. Thanks a lot.